Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato sheds. This is a magnificent shed we have today, Sean. Possibly New Zealand's best man cave inside here, so I'm pretty keen to check that out. But first off, what are we standing in front of?
As you can see, guys, we've got an awesome gable shed behind us. It's 180 square meters, 2.8 meters to the eave, and then 4.8 meters to the apex up the top there. So lots of space, lots of room to do everything you want inside. But first off, I just want to point out this awesome outdoor area. It's just a little covered in area. We've also lined it with the same color steel corrugate ebony as we've done with the shed. So it actually has a real nice, sleek finish. What do you reckon, Jace?
I think it's fantastic. Testament to Kyron, Jackson, Deb. They've done a fantastic job building this shed. 22-degree pitch roof, and I love how they've got all the apex and that, but they've all flashed it inside. They've done a great job. Beautiful city glass joinery behind us, looking fantastic.
Yeah, I reckon we go inside and have a quick look, eh?
Should we go and check out this shed?
As you can see, guys, we've made it onto the inside. This is the garage part of the shed. So obviously not what you're really looking for just yet, but you got to hold on till we get to that man cave. First of all, we've got to show some spotlight to what's in here. So we got 3 sectional doors, Aspen sectional doors, all 2.5 meters high. Awesome use and all on motors as well. So nice and easy to get them up. What do you reckon, Jace?
I think they're fantastic. Got a beautiful classic car in here. There's another one to come in. This one's going to be for the motorbikes, so it's been well thought out what's going to be happening inside of here. Now also, when this was done, we also consented. Nice little toilet as well, because you've got a man cave, got to have a place to go, so you can have a look inside. Ply lining has just been done fantastically inside of this shed, and there's just all these little touches and that. Check out these little rusty looking floor tiles, little seats, some great magazines in there, some great city glass joinery once again. Got some nice light framing over the workshop benches and that in there as well. And you got this fantastic door here. So what do we got? We've got a Chubb fire resisting door from London. What are we going to find in here?
I don't know, maybe more beers?
Oh, that would be amazing. Check it out. This is currently just a storage for the gardening equipment in there, but what an awesome looking shed. All right.
What I really like about it, Jace, is just all the really cool little artifacts and little features that are around here. Quite gone with the more rustic look, which has really just made the shed look awesome, I reckon. Yeah,
it's so well personalised. All right, shall we go through this wonderful little entrance way here? I'll watch out for my shininess. All right.
Wow, this is awesome.
Now we're coming into what I do believe could be New Zealand's best man cave. I've said it a couple of times, and you know, comment on below and tell me which one you love the most. But check out this corrugate that we've got going on up in the ceiling here.
Yeah, all reused and repurposed, eh?
Yeah, the client came down, went to Potiki and got a whole house like that came out of an old abandoned cottage from down there, and then lined all the ceilings in there. Dedication to our man, Jack Daniels. Shout out, Jack. Got some quality reading over here as well on the Hot Rod magazines. But then we roll around, and what have we got here?
G'day guys.
Mike, what are you doing?
Bar needs a bartender.
You're absolutely right.
Here we go, boys.
Oh, here we go. Our classic beer cooler. Sorry, Willie, I apologise. We've got Heine's. We should be into Willie the Waiter. We should be into the Waikato. But cheers, Sean.
Cheers, Jace. I could imagine spending a lot of times in here, you know, with the boys and all your friends, just watching some sport. I see they've got a nice TV up on there. Yeah. I know the Rugby World Cup's coming up soon, so I'm assuming this place is going to be packed with people coming to watch the rugby, coming to watch the Warriors, just anything in general. I see.
Go the Warriors!
Go the Warriors! I see that the client is a little bit of a car and motorbike person as well, so I'm assuming have some car clubs over here, motorbike people, you know, just hanging out and just, you know, liaising between the two.
Dartboard, barbecue outside, the brazier going. It's fantastic. This is Shed Life 101. This is fantastic. I love it. It's awesome. I wish it was mine.
Yeah, same. Maybe one day I'll build one like this, you know. I've definitely got a few ideas off this shed, so hopefully I can turn one in my own one day.
All right, thanks for watching. This is a fantastic shed. Let us know what you love the most about it, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Cheers, guys.